Okay, ma. Good morning, students. Third class students. All we are discussing about shapes and spatial understanding. Right? In previous class already we discussed about what is 2D shape, what is 3D shape. 2D shape is it consists length and breadth. Examples of 2D shape is square, rectangle, circle, triangle. And 3D shape means it consists length, breadth, and height. Examples of 3D shape is cube, cuboid, sphere, cone, cylinder. Yes, we discussed about this all in previous class. Next, now see the in course book page number 14, views. Views. Okay, how many types of views is there? 3 types. First one is front view. Second one is side view. Third one is top view. See, there are 3 types of views is there. Front view, side view, top view. Top view. First one, front view. See, front view. What is front view? The front view is what you see, See, the front view is what you see, if you are standing. If you are standing directly in front of an object. See, front view. The front view is what you see if you are standing directly in front of the object. Suppose you will stand in front of me, you will see my front view. Okay. Next one is side view. Second one is, these are all right in your MCW. Side view. See, side view. Second one. The side view is what you see if you are viewing. The side view is what you see if you are viewing from one side of an object. From one side of an object. See, what is side view? The side view is what you see if you are viewing from one side of an object. Suppose I will stand like this, means you will see my side view like this. So the side view is what you see if you are viewing from one side of an object. Okay, ma. Next one is top view. Third one, top view. Top view. The top view is what you see if you are having if you are hovering above the object hovering above the object and look down on it. And look down on it. See, the top view is what you see if you are hovering above the object and look down on it. Suppose you will stand upside, means you will see down, means that front top view will come. Okay, so what is top view? The top view is what you see if you are hovering above the object and look down on it. This one is the top view. So how many types of views is there? 3 types of views is there. First one, front view, side view, top view. Front view. The front view, if you see, the front view is what you see if you are standing directly in front of an object. Side view. The side view is what you see if you are viewing from one side of an object. Top view. The top view is what you see if you are hovering above the object and look down on it. These are the views. Okay, ma'am? These are all you will write in your MCW. Now, open your workbook. See, workbook, page number 4. Workbook, ma. Open your workbook, page number 4. See. Workbook, page number 4. Open up. See, what is the first one? Match the object to the 2D shape it represents. Match the object to the 2D shape it presents. First one is having monitor. Monitor match to rectangle. Monitor match to rectangle. Next one having circle. Next one, what's the circle shape? Next one, square shape. And last one, triangle shape. Okay. Next, write the name of the following. See, write the name of the solid figure. Solid figure each object looks like. Each object looks like. See, first one. First one, which shape that one? Popcorn, cone shape. Cone. Okay, first one, cone shape. Second one, boost box is there. That one is cuboid shape. C-U-B-I-O-D. Cuboid. Boost box which shape? Cuboid shape. Next, third one, cube shape. Cube. C-U-B. Cube. Next, Rasgulla box is there. That one, cylinder shape. Cylinder. Cylinder shape. Next, fifth one, Coca-Cola tin. That one also cylinder shape. Cylinder. Sixth one, cone ice cream is there. Means cone. C-O-N-E. Cone. Which shape that one? Cone shape. Next, stove. Stove means cuboid shape. C-U-B-I-O-D. Cuboid. Stove is cuboid shape. Next one, ball. Ball is sphere, not circle. That one is sphere. Okay. Write the names of these solid figures each object looks like. First one having popcorn. Popcorn is cone shape. Next, boost box. That one is cuboid shape. Next, cube shape. Next, rasgulla box is there. That one is cylinder shape. Next, Coca-Cola tin. That one also cylinder shape. Cone ice cream. Cone ice cream shape is cone. Next, stove. Stove is cuboid. Ball is sphere. Okay, this one completed. Now we will go to page number 5. Page number 5. See, match the 3D shape to the similar shaped object. To the similar shaped object. First one having globe. Globe is sphere shape. Match that one. Next one, that building. That one is cylinder shape. Match that one. Next one, cone shape. Match that one. That gift box is cuboid shape. Okay, that gift box is cuboid shape. Next, fill in the blanks, Seema. Okay, ma. Next, fill in the blanks. We will continue in next class. Okay, compulsory. You all this one all complete. Okay. Okay, ma. Good morning, ma. Third class students. Already in previous class we discussed about shapes and spatial understanding, right? In previous class only we start workbook part also, right? Page number 4 yesterday completed now, and in page number 5 match the 3D shape to the similar shaped object also completed. Now we will go to fill in the blanks. See, fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. First one, see what? A rectangle has dash sides and dash corners. So in a rectangle having 4 sides and 4 corners. Right now, in a rectangle has 4 sides and 4 corners. Next one, second one, see. All sides are dashed in a square. So all sides are equal in a square. All sides are equal in a square. Next, opposite sides are equal in a, so opposite sides are equal in a rectangle. Opposite sides are equal in a rectangle. Next, fourth one. A figure with 3 sides and 3 corners is a 3 sides and 3 corners is triangle. Next, the diagonals of a square are equal. Both diagonals are equal in a square. Next, sixth one. See, sixth one. A cuboid has no curved surface. No curved faces. A cube has dash straight edges. Total 12 straight edges. Only this blank only you will write, ma. A sphere has 0 corners. 0 corners. A cylinder has dash faces and dash equal edges. 2 faces and 0 equal edges. Once again I am repeating, must see. Fill in the blanks. First one is a rectangle has 4 sides and 4 corners. Second one, all sides are equal in a square. Third one, opposite sides are equal in a rectangle. Fourth one, a figure with 3 sides and 3 corners is triangle. Next, fifth one is the diagonals of a square are equal. Sixth one, a cube, no curved faces. A cube has no curved faces. Next, sorry, cuboid has no curved faces. Seventh one, a cube has 12 straight edges. A cube has 12 straight edges. Next, a sphere has 0 corners. A sphere has 0 corners. Ninth one, cylinder. A cylinder has 2 faces and 0 equal edges. 2 faces and 0 equal edges. Now see in workbook page number 6. In workbook page number 6. Page number 6. See the heading? Observe the shape of the object and complete the table. Observe the shape of the object and complete the table. So first having shape, sides, number of sides, number of corners, diagonals. Shapes, corners, diagonals. See first shape, circle. First one shape, this rangoli circle, right? So in circle 0 sides, 0 corners, 0 diagonals. 0 sides, 0 corners, 0 diagonals. Next one is square. Square what square? In square 4 sides, 4 corners, 2 diagonals. 4 sides, 4 corners, 2 diagonals. Next, rectangle. Rectangle, see that mirror is rectangle, right? 4 sides, 4 corners, 2 diagonals. 4 sides, 4 corners, 2 diagonals. Next one is triangle. Triangle, see? 3 sides, 3 corners, 0 diagonals. 3 sides, 3 corners, 0 diagonals. Once you write that one. Okay. Next. Next one, Seema. Choose the correct answer. Choose the correct answer. First one, what? Which of the following is not used to describe a solid shape? First one. Which of the following is not used to describe a solid shape? Solid shape. See, my option, I am writing only answer. You will take that option and write that option in brackets. So the answer is D. Angle. What is that one? D. Which of the following is not used to describe the solid shape? Angle is not described in solid shape because in solid shape having corner is there, face is there, edges is there. Solid shape is nothing but 3D shapes. Okay. Next, second one. Which two solid figures have the same number of same number of faces, edges and corners. So see, answer is in cone and cylinder different faces, different edges and different corners. Sphere also, cone and circle also. D, cube and cuboid. Cube and cuboid. D. See, in cube 6 faces, 8 corners, 12 edges. And cuboid also 6 faces, 8 corners, 12 edges. Okay, ma? Next, third one. A tree trunk closely reflects the shape of a. See, you know tree, this one. Tree means like this nature. It looks like this. This one trunk. Which shape this one? See, cylinder shape is there. Which shape? Cylinder. B. Take this B. Cylinder. B. Okay. Next, fourth one. Next, fourth one. Which solid figure has no edges and corners. So solid figure means 3D shape. In 3D shape, which figure has no edges and no corners? That one is sphere. So D. Tick D. Sphere. D. Next one. Which of the following 3D figures have curved surfaces and no vertices? And no vertices. Which of the following 3D figures has curved surface and no vertices? That one is D. Cylinder and sphere. Cylinder and sphere. That one D. Okay, ma'am. Next, you see in page number 7. Okay, ma'am. Completed this one. Page number 7. First one, cube. So, cube. In first box, number of faces, 6 faces, 12 edges, 8 corners. Next one, sphere. Laddu is sphere. 0 faces, 0 corners, 0 edges. Next one, cone. 1 face, 0 edges, 1 corner. Next one, cuboid. Cuboid is 6 faces, 12 edges, 8 corners. This one faces, edges, corners. Next, cylinder. cylinder, 2 faces, 0 corners, 0 edges. Okay, ma? This one. Next class we will continue next topic. Okay?